Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will begin with Pebbles of Grammar of Class 3 by Galaxy Publication. And let's begin with chapter number 20, that is interjection. What is an interjection? Come on, quickly read it. An interjection is a word that comes at the beginning of a sentence and expresses a sudden emotion. एक इंटरजेक्शन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसको हम सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में यानी कि सबसे पहले यूज़ करते हैं, बिगनिंग में यूज़ करते हैं, और वो क्या एक्सप्रेस करता है? हमारे किसी सडन फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस करता है, हमारे इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस करता है. सम इंटरजेक्शंस आर गिवन ओवर हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, वाओ, आउच, ब्रावो, अलास, ओह, हुर्रा, ah, great, oops, hello. So these are certain examples. Let's read the sentences, how they are used in sentences. Come on, let's read them very quickly. First one is wow, what a beautiful bird. Now the word wow here represents surprise. When you are surprised, we use the word wow. Ouch, that hurts. Now here ouch represents pain, यानी कि ये हमारे दर्द को एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है. Bravo, you won the competition. The word bravo over here expresses the praise. You are praising someone. आप किसी की तारीफ कर रहे हैं तो आपने वर्ड यूज किया है bravo. Alas, he is no more. Sorrow. Sorrow is दुख. Sorrow का मतलब आप किसी को अपना दुख या शोक प्रकट कर रहे हैं. We are using the word alas as an interjection in this sentence. Fifth sentence, oh, I missed the bus. Again, it is heaviness of pain. You can say sorrow over here. Oh, I missed the bus. So this was all about the examples. Let's quickly read them again. Let's do a quick revision. What are interjections? Interjections are basically words which come at the beginning of a sentence, and they are there to express our sudden emotions. Fine. And some of them can be wow, ouch, alas, hurrah, oh, hello, great, oops, ah, and so on. So this was all about the chapter. Let's now quickly begin with the exercise. Well, the first question in the exercise speaks, fill in the blanks with suitable interjections. हमें इन ब्लैंक्स को suitable interjection से fill करना है, लेकिन fill करने से पहले आपको sentence read करना है ताकि आपको पता चले कि यहाँ पे कौन सा suitable interjection use करना है. Whether the sentence is for sorrow, for happiness, for pain, for praise, and so on. The first sentence, I have hurt my ankle. So I have hurt my ankle is expressing the pain. You can write here ouch, O-U-C-H, ouch, and don't forget to put an exclamatory mark. Second, we won the match. Okay, you will write here hurrah and an exclamatory mark. The third sentence, I completed in time. Wow, I've completed in time. Dash, an ant bite me on my toe. It's again a means to show the pain. Ouch, you can write over here, and an exclamatory mark over here. The fifth sentence, dash, what a pleasant weather. Wow. Now the next, dash, what a tragic accident. Oh. The seventh one, dash, you won the lottery. Now this is a moment of surprise. You can write over here alas. Okay. The next sentence, that is the eighth sentence, dash, we lost the match. So what you will put over here? Oh, we lost the match. Dash, the baby slipped. You can use here dash, how are you? So you will use here a special interjection, that is hello, and after hello again you will put an exclamatory mark and the sentence will change into hello, how are you? So this is all about the exercise. With this we have completed the chapter interjection. Thank you all for watching the video. Wait till the next video. Goodbye.